Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fire pit in Heartopia. So we will be glitching and you will need to cook some bizarre foods. If you are putting it in your plot, you're just going to fail a lot of your cooking, but if you are doing it in like your blueprint, I just failed making, I think it was mixed salad. I think you should just fail that food because it only uses like 2 tomatoes. It's just something simple to make, and just fail it so you'll get the bizarre food because you do need it. This is what it looks like, by the way, because we need the like fire and stuff like that. But here's how you're going to want to do it. I am going to place some low walls here. You can color it to to whatever color you want, but make sure you color like the floor later, like the ceiling, I guess, so it blends in better with the like coal. So I'm just gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna color it. I'm just gonna leave it, I think. But again, you can color it to whatever color you like. So we are then going to go to others, and we're going to use the wooden wall storage, and we're just going to place it here. And I'm just going to color it this color, even though I don't think you'll be able to see it later, but better to be safe than sorry. Just skipped a few words there. Okay, place it like this. All right. Now you're going to place the bizarre foods, and here's where we are going to glitch a lot. So I'm just going to place 4 here for now. But if your fire pit is bigger, you do need more. So I'm just going to select this, and I'm just going to move all, and I'm just going to like place it out of bounds here, like on this random wall. Press this check mark button and spam click this. Sometimes it won't work the first try. You just have to do it again. So press this, move all. There we go. Why am I so far from like where it is? And I'm just going to put another one like here and here. Okay. And then again, we're just going to press move all, and I'm just going to place it like here. Oh my gosh, why doesn't it work the first time? But it always works the second time. You gotta be really patient. Okay, I didn't even click anything. Hold on. Oh my gosh, this is in the way. Okay. And then I think I'm just going to do 2 more, and I'll be right back once everything has been glitched. Okay, once you've glitched everything and it looks like this, we are going to place the flooring. Let me just color the ceiling part first. So I'm just going to color it this black so it matches the coal here, and I am going to take this and I'm just going to place it on top of everything, not below. I don't know why it's not going out. There we go. And then I'm also going to change the color, but to be honest, you can do it once you're done glitching, but I'm just going to do it now. I like to use this one because it's the most realistic one here, and I'm just going to press complete. And then when you go back, everything will hopefully look like a fire pit. So let's edit this again. Let me go out first, and then, okay, sorry. Let's go to, I did do it in Blueprint. Edit again. And this is the final results. Super cute, super fire pit looking. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!